In other news, a teenager and another man were shot and killed in the Musk housing scheme in Clarendon last night. It happened shortly before 7 o'clock. TVJ's Kirk Wright reports.
The victims have been identified as 21-year-old Oscar Williams and 18-year-old Garth Chaplin, otherwise called Doopy. Police report that both men were walking along Shrimp Way, heading to a regular gambling spot when men traveling in a grey Toyota Axio drove up, exited the car and opened fire, hitting Chaplin and Williams. A relative says she's shocked, especially because Mr. Williams was not a troublemaker. She says she was sitting on her veranda at the time of the shooting.
I was in my veranda when I heard the noise, like gunshots, but I didn't realize it was gunshot because I thought it was bike. Then I see people start running. Then I go inside my house and lock the door. Then I call one of my neighbor. Answer the phone and say, "You get shot?" Me say, "No, what's happening?" And then she saying to me, I ask her, me see her run and he look like he get shot. So me run out of the house same time, and when I run to one shortcut beside the house, I saw him lying there on the ground.
The police say the men may have been killed in retaliation for a shooting early in the day. This is the latest incident in a spate of murders in the parish recently, including a triple murder on Thursday. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.